In this video, what we're going to do is give you some expression exercises for you to try out since we have done that in the previous video. So before you do this, make sure you go through the previous video if you haven't done, if you are interested in solving these exercises, okay? Let's start off. Quickly produce. So we are going to provide some expression questions, okay? Only expression questions for you to practice. And the answers to these we will provide in the next video, giving you some time to try it out and get your own workings on that. Okay, so let's start off. I'll quickly introduce. This is a numeric expression, right? All the numbers. No. So you can have either numeric expression or alphanumeric expression. Those are the broad two categories we are looking at. So this is a numeric expression and use normal arithmetic. 10 plus 5 into, and in the computer environment, I have already mentioned this, I think. Maybe you're already familiar with this. Star means multiplication, okay? Remember that. So 5 plus 10, 10 plus 5 multiplied by 2. So this is the first question we have provided. Second question is same as the first one, but the 5 into 2, this is multiplication again, reminding you. 5 into 2 is within brackets. In the first one, it's not within the bracket, okay? So that's the second exercise. Third one, we have taken the bracket and put it onto the 10 plus 5 side and into 2. And also remember, in mathematics, usually when you multiply something in the brackets, you just would say 2 into. This into symbol we don't use. But in the computer environment, most of the languages, I have not come across any language where they drop this, okay? So every time you have a bracket, if it is a multiplication, addition or whatever, you have to specify that, okay? Without this, I can't just put a 2 here. Remember that, okay? So this is 10 plus 5 within brackets multiplied by 2. Remember that, okay? So this is the third exercise. Fourth one is, we have, now in the first, second and third, we have put the plus sign as the first one and the multiplication afterwards. Here we are doing multiplication first and plus sign afterwards. So 5 multiplied by 2 plus 10. That is D. E, again 5 multiplied by, remember, we can't drop this multiplication symbol, okay? If there is a bracket, like in normal mathematics in school, we do 5 open bracket 2 plus 10, but that is not generally used in the computer environment. They have to specifically provide the multiplication symbol, okay? So this is 5 into 2 plus 10 within the brackets, okay? That's the fifth one, E. So seventh one is again another expression for you to do. 7 plus 8 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Then the next one is 7 plus, within brackets, 8 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, G. H, 7 plus 8 is within brackets, the minus 3 multiplied by 2 outside the bracket. And the next one is we have put 7 plus 8 minus 3 inside bracket and put the multiplication into 2 outside. And finally, in the numeric expression, this is having multiple brackets also. So you can see 100 minus 3 within brackets multiplied by 20 plus within brackets 50 minus 40. That's why there are 2 brackets. This first bracket is closing this bracket is closing this bracket, okay? So you have to solve this expression also for you to try it. So these are all numeric expressions, as you can see. Expressions can be either numeric or alphanumeric, okay? We are not looking at any other type of expression which may be available in other specific computer languages. We are just simplifying this, okay? In one expression, you can either have numeric only or alphanumeric only. So these are all numeric expressions. Next one is an alphanumeric expression because it's within double quotes. Again, if you are not sure about these double quotes, I have done that in my previous videos. Go through that and I understand about alphanumeric constants, okay? Okay. So in this case, within bracket, we have J, capital J, plus, this is concatenation, if you go through that and see, and to that we are concatenating the O and B, again within brackets. So solve this also, okay? That's an alphanumeric expression to solve. Then next one is also another alphanumeric expression to solve. We have put like this, 25 within brackets plus 7. I will explain this in the next video. Okay, you try this out on your own. Next one, M. Again, 2 plus 7 within brackets plus 3, 0 within brackets. Then next one, ABC within brackets plus 1, 2, 3 within brackets. Okay. And finally, all these are alphanumeric expressions. Okay, remember. So in the next one, ABC within brackets plus there is a, now here all these first four we are just adding only one, J and OB, 25, 2, 5 and 7, 2 plus 7 and 3, 0, ABC and 1, 2, 3 we are adding. In this one, the last one, this is the last question, we are adding two things. We are adding to ABC a space. Since because if you leave a blank here, you generally won't know whether it is one space or two space or no space or whatever. So I am specifically indicating there is a space here. That's why I put this one space here. Okay, plus 1, 2, 3. So this is the last one that you need to try. So let me put that all in one. So these are the exercises that you need to do and keep your answers until I provide or that we provide a solution video in the next section. Okay, next time. Thank you very much.